All right. Hi friends, and welcome again to Maria's channel. We are celebrating Dephemberember, and today's prompt list is for day 5, journaling card and beloved visitor. I need to tell you that I already have the cover for my journal. You can see the episode link down below, and also I'm gonna link it up here so you can go and watch step by step what did I do to have this amazing cover that I really love. So what I was thinking is a visitor I have in my garden is a squirrel that I have for at least a year, and nowadays I don't see him anymore. It was a him. It was a male, and I still can see the female, but I don't know where this guy is. So I'm gonna post here some scenes that I have that I took videos of him because he was so cute and always coming out and going down and up from the tree looking for food and everything. So my beloved one is gonna be my little squirrel boy. I was looking through the cards. This is what I have. I love this one with a cage. This is amazing. And sometimes when you open the cards, you have amazing backgrounds, like in this case. Just here, you just need to cover that or apply some techniques. So you're gonna get rid of that and then use the whole card like a page or for an embellishment, or in this case, you can cut here and have this as a journal card. I choose this one is the right size. I love it because they look like poinsettias. Even if they're purple, this is the time where we have poinsettias. And then I pick also this envelope that I'm going to be opening and using for the embellishment of the card. And that, and also this side here, I can use this for something else. Let's see, by the end of the video I have 2 strips of paper, and this is where my forks come into an action. You can have a wider one or a narrow one. I'm gonna use this big one because I want to have something more wide. So you're gonna stick the fork there and you're gonna make it go around twice this way, you see. So you have it there. Just use this first part of the fork and you're gonna put it inside. We'll wait till you have what I'm showing you. So this is going to be our first ruffle. Now I'm gonna do it again. So I'm gonna go here and you're gonna fold it again, and this is gonna be the width of the fork. So this is going to allow you to have the same distance for every one of the ruffles you are doing. This again, I'm gonna go here. I have the width, and there it is, as you can see. And now again, like so. I don't have a sewing machine, but anyways, I'm going to use it just the way I have it with glue. So I can have 2 segments or 2 pieces of the ruffle. So this is what I have so far. As you can see here, I'm gonna cut only one portion of the card and I'm gonna leave this flap. So I am gluing this on one of the pages so I can go like this and I can journal on the back of the card, and also I'm gonna have the open page for journaling too. How do I have to glue this? Well, this is easy. You just go inside because, as I said, I don't have a sewing machine. So you just apply the glue in all the folds, and then this is not gonna go anywhere because we're going to apply the glue also in this part. So I have 2 options. I can glue it here, or I can also glue it here so I can see the embellishment on the page, but I'm gonna decide to glue it right here so I can see it from front of the card. This is the effect. Alright, so this is what I have. I'm going to try placing him like the best way for me to have as many flowers I can possibly have out. So I'm gonna probably try to inclinate it like so, so I can have all these flowers and also the ruffle. Doesn't matter if I have him picking up this way or coming up this way. Let's go inside here and let's look for a spot to place the squirrel. I guess I have the perfect spot here because I also use part of a card in here. You see the flowers? This was the original shape, so I didn't have to cut all this. I just cut the shape, the inclination of the page, and I just glued that here. So this music is going to be covered by hearts, and this is what we have. And as I said, I'm gonna place one segment of the video. If you want to watch the entire video, it's in English and Spanish. I'm gonna link it down below so you can watch it. I posted in my other channel, in my main channel, La Doctora de las Plantas, so you're gonna be able to watch that amazing episode. I hope you go over there just clicking in the link that I'm gonna post down below this episode. We are having so much fun with Dephemberember. A bunch of people are participating. The idea is cool. So even if you're not doing any ephemeras or not actively participating, you are supporting the artists and the channels that are doing it by leaving a comment, watching the video, which is about creating community and, you know, about staying together. And I love that so much. So I have all the hearts. That means that this is a beloved one. And as you can see, I want to just glue this part of the card. In other words, I'm going to have all this space for journaling. And I'm going to do it a little bit thinner because I don't want to cover a lot of the hearts from the background because I really like them. And so this is what I'm going to do. This. And let me just add glue around here. You see, everything is useful. That's why we sometimes keep like so much stuff, because we always think like, oh, probably I can use this for this or I can use this for that. So I keep a lot of stuff. And the other day I did a lot of decluttering in my stash. I don't want to keep many things, as I always say. So this is what I have, and I think that the result is really nice. I'm gonna always remember this cutie visiting my garden. I had so much fun with him, like making videos and having him, like observing him in the morning, like coming down looking for food and stuff. Oh, this is it. So this was the upper part. It was detached from the actual sticker. So I'm just gonna place it here. How about if I just leave it like that? Also, I have this paper with a lot of quotes and sentiments. Appreciate the small thing. Adventure, create memories. I'll say appreciate the small things. These squirrels, I appreciate them so much. I can still see, I guess his wife is still around my garden. I see her every day taking risks and looking for food, but I want to have this phrase here: appreciate the small things. It can go all the way up to the ruffle too. So it makes the ruffle being integrated to the card, which looks really, really nice. All right, I love it. And this is the final result. All right, this is what I have. And probably I'll do something in here, but with pink, so I can have both pages complete. Is the perfect width. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it here. And let me see if we can have kind of a small envelope or tuck spot here. It's a lighter pink. You see the difference between the outside and the inside? I like this better for this page here. So only with 2 envelopes I was able to complete today's prompt. I want to do something like a little envelope here, like probably like so. So I can have that. I can re-glue this part, sealing the bottom part. Like so, and then also applying glue to this portion here. So let me just chop it a little bit more there and have a shorter envelope. I love to work with envelopes. I'm always like creating something or doing something different. It's really small, but I can always keep some stuff in here. And also I'm going to decorate this part. That is what I have. And I'm just gonna glue it like so. All right, this is something different. And this is another idea you can use. And what can we keep inside here? Let me see, what do I have? I can have this little card with a mushroom. Okay, let me have that there. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, nice. And I have some more mushrooms. I'm gonna just, I have space on the back. I just have it there. Awesome. I'm gonna have this. It's really cool. And I can have a heart. You see, never stop creating. You never know what's gonna happen, what you're gonna have. And this was really, really amazing. I love the result. And then I really like the page of my beloved squirrel. So I'm gonna post the video of him in my garden just right here in this video. And remember to stay tuned to my channel. So this is what I have for today's prompt, and tomorrow I'm gonna come back with more that is altered pocket and textured fragments. I already did an altered envelope that is really, really cool with some cards on the inside. You can always subscribe to my channel, give a click to my picture here in the end, or here in this red arrow, or down below this video. Also, you can leave me a comment. What do you think about my today's ephemera? Do you like it? Are you gonna be able to do, or you're gonna take the risk to do something slanted inside the journal like this altered envelope? Let me know in the comments down below. I'll be more than happy to read your comment. I see you soon. I see you tomorrow, by the way. Bye. Bye, friends. Take care. Bye. Leave me a thumbs up. Bye.